black sheep, black sheep, black sheep.
Black sheep, black sheep, black sheep, black sheep.
Black sheep, black sheep, black sheep.
Black sheep, black sheep, black sheep.
You know those kind of DJs that get a whole crowd like going wild in a club and people want to go to 4 in the morning and it's just like, they are just the best? They're nothing like that. Black sheep, black sheep, black sheep. I would say dead sheep. Yeah.
Hi, this is DJ Fresh. This is a public service announcement. If I were you, I would not hire the black sheep. At all. At all. At all. I did. They fucked up my party.
Hi, we Grant and Anelli from 5FM.
We had to warn you about a DJ Joe that called themselves Black Sheep.
I mean, what kind of name is Black Sheep anyway? You should have known them.
You know what, we once had a party and we invited him, Lou, to the party, and he didn't even bring his CDs to play. I mean, what kind of a DJ is that?
Oh yes, but he was the first one at the dinner table. He was the first one at the dinner table. He was the first one at the dinner table. I mean, fill his stomach up. What's happening to the dance floor? What's happening to the dance floor?
I wouldn't hire them. I wouldn't hire them. I wouldn't hire them. They fuck up your party. They fuck up your party. They fucked up my party. They rocked more than I did.
Are you gonna show that? Are you gonna show it too? Okay, right. Matt, there's no hope. Stop calling me, okay?
They rocked more than I did.